Hi students, now we are going to discuss exercise 2.8 question number 10. Prove that the value of fourth root of minus 1 or plus or minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus or minus I. This is the question. So now the given complex number I am going to take z is equal to fourth root of minus 1. So z equal to, we can write minus 1 the whole power 1 by 4. So already we know that minus 1 is equal to what? Already we know that minus 1 is equal to cos pi plus I sin pi. So this is the answer. So z equal to, so now cos pi plus I sin pi the whole power 1 by 4. So now add 2k pi. So z equal to what? Cos 2k pi plus pi plus I sin 2k pi plus pi the whole power 1 by 4. So z equal to cos 2k plus 1 into, I'm going to take pi outside, so pi plus I sin, here also 2k plus 1 into pi the whole power 1 by 4. So applying De Moivre's theorem, so z is equal to what? Cos 2k plus 1 by 4 into pi by 4 plus I sin 2k plus 1 pi into 1 by 4 pi by 4. So here k value is equal to 4 values. So now k is equal to what? K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. These 4 values I am going to substitute. We will get 4 roots. So and k equal to 0, so 2 into 0 plus 1, 1. So cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. When k is equal to 1, so what you will get is equal to cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, that is the value of what? Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2 plus I sin 45 also 1 by root 2. So now I am going to take 1 by root 2 outside. So what will get? 1 plus I. Next, when k is equal to 1, so 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 pi by 4. So that is equal to cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sin 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4, that is equal to what? 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 into 45 degree. So 3 into 45, 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 135 degree. 135 degree we can write 180 minus 45. So now I am going to write 135, 180 we can write 5, 45 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 we can write 5 minus pi by 4. So here, so that is equal to cos of 3 pi by 4 we can write 5 minus pi by 4 plus I sin pi minus pi by 4. So already we know that cos 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta which quadrant? Second quadrant. 180 minus theta second quadrant plus sin மட்டும் positive, cos negative. So cos minus cos pi by 4. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta. So I sin pi by 4. So now cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 plus I 1 by root 2. So now I am going to take 1 by root 2 outside. So that is equal to 1 by root 2 I am going to take outside. So minus 1 plus I. So this is the second root. When k is equal to 3, when k is equal to 2, sorry, already we know that cos 2k plus 1 into pi, k equal to 2 apply பண்ணும்போது 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 pi by 4. So that is equal to cos 5 pi by 4 plus I sin 5 pi by 4. So already we know that 5 pi by 4 value 5 into 5 pi by 4, that is equal to 5 into 45. 5 4s are 120, 5 5s are 125. So 145 degree, sorry, 5 5s are 25 to 5 4s are 20 to 25 degree. So to 25 degree. So 225 we can write. So 225 degree we can write 180 plus 45. So 225, that is equal to 5 pi by 4. So 180 means what? Pi. 5 plus 45 degree and pi by 4. So now cos 45, cos pi by 4 we can write cos of 5 plus pi by 4 plus I sin of 5 plus pi by 4. So that is equal to cos 180 plus theta. Which quadrant? 180 plus theta, third quadrant, cos negative. So minus cos pi by 4. Sin 180 plus theta. This is also third quadrant. Third quadrant la pathina tan cot mattum positive, others are negative. So minus sin pi by 4. So that is equal to minus cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 minus I sin 45, that also 1 by root 2. So now 1 by root 2 I am going to take outside, minus 1 minus I. So this is what? Third root. The next one, when k is equal to 3. So already you know that cos 2k plus 1 into pi by 4. So k equal to 3 apply பண்ணும்போது 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 4. So it is equal to cos 7 pi by 4 plus I sin 7 pi by 4. So 7 pi by 4 means what? 7 pi by 4, that is equal to 7 into 45. So 7 5s are 35, remaining 3, 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 315. So 315 degree we can write. So 360 minus 45. So that is 7 pi by 4. So 7 pi by 4 means what? 315 degree. So 315 degree we can write 360 minus 45. So 360, that is equal to what? 2 pi minus pi by 4. So that is equal to 7 pi by 4. So now I am going to change. So cos 7 pi by 4 we can write 2 pi minus pi the whole divided by, 2 pi minus pi the whole 4. Cos 2 pi minus pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi minus pi by 4. So now cos 360 minus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant cos positive. So that is equal to cos pi by 4 sin 360 minus theta, fourth quadrant sin negative. So minus I sin pi by 4. So cos 45 1 by root 2 minus I sin 45 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 I am going to take outside. So 1 minus I. So this is what? The fourth root. All the roots I am going to write. So when k equal to 0, here 0. When k equal to 0, what is the root? 1 by root 2 1 plus I. Next root 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus I. All the roots I am going to write here. So first root 1 by root 2 1 plus I. The roots are 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I. The second root minus 1 1 by root 2 minus 1 plus I. And third root 1 by root 2 minus 1 minus I. The next last root 1 by root 2 1 minus I. Here 1 by root 2 all the roots are 1 by root 2 are common. So now here plus or minus 1, here plus or minus I. So now I am going to write this. The roots are plus or minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus or minus I. This is the answer for the sufficient. Okay, thank you children.